All right, so let's deal with a few more advanced options with your type tool. So go ahead into your character menu, and then there should be a little accordion or hamburger menu over here. And then click Show Options, and this will show you some more advanced options. So first of all, I'm going to make a little space here in my text. Oops. Go away. Now, let's explore what we have available to us. First of all, after we clicked that, we have a lot of the stuff we had before, but now we also have vertical scale, so we can highlight some characters and start increasing the vertical scale, and so it sort of stretches out that little segment. You can also do the same thing and squish it down to 50%. And then we can also stretch it out. So here we have 100% for the horizontal scale. So we'll start stretching it out. And now this does not, you know how I was mentioning with italics and bold, it's sort of like it's a redesigned font. Well, this is sort of like, it's not a redesigned font. You're just grabbing it and visually stretching it out. So let's see here. We have a baseline shift, so we can increase the space between the baseline of the font and where the actual font appears. We can also actually decrease it into negative numbers, so it'll go crashing into another line. We don't usually want that, but never know. You have a little bit of a tilt here or a rotation. You can rotate these characters. And you'll notice they stretch out because they're kind of wide, but then they squish down when you get to like this. So anyway, you can rotate that. I'm going to set it back. I don't use those very often. They're kind of fun though. All right, so now we have an all caps option, which is just all caps. You could just press your caps lock. I find that pretty useless. But oh, small caps is very useful. So let me give you an example sentence. The FBI and CIA showed up. Oh, I don't know. I'm trying to do another. Showed up at my house in the USA. Right. If you back up a little bit, and I'm going to lean back here in my chair, and you just kind of scan the page, you're going to notice that the caps, the acronyms, FBI, CIA, USA, they all kind of jump out to you because they're very big. They take up a lot of real estate on your page. And we don't usually want that. We're not putting them in all caps because we want them to grab attention. We just want, because they're acronyms, so we just want to be grammatically correct. So we have a clever solution for that. In Illustrator, we can do small caps. So we can say FBI, right? And we can say CIA. Oops, forgot to press the small caps button. CIA. And press the small caps button, USA. And there we go. So now they're in all caps, but they're smaller. So they don't like just jump out of the page and grab your eyeball. We have Superscript and we have Subscript options. So let's see. The FBI and CIA showed up. They love to drink. Actually, that's not the chemical. That's not the way you write it chemically, right? Is it? No, it's not. So we can use our superscript option, and we can say 2. That's actually the chemical equation, right? You also have subscript. These are used in chemical equations, and I'm not a chemist, so I'm not exactly sure how you use it. Maybe that's how you write H2O. One or the other. Or if there's I know for citations, you definitely want to use the subscript.